With my Vajrayuka, I extend a warm welcome to all the participants, all the players, and on behalf of Government of Goa, I extend a warm welcome to all of you present here. My good friend Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, who is the organizer, and we have appointed him as a sports director for organizing all these things of the Purple Festival event. And we have Mr. Ajay Gowde, we have Mr. Samir Sanjay. Shailesh Bilurgar, not if it is not in proper order, please excuse me because I am in hurry. Because we have a United Nations meeting as regards to Purple Festival in Delhi, and I have to reach out, but I cannot avoid the invitation which was sent to me by Dr. Ketan Bhatikar. He's been taking so much of interest and so much of pains to organize such a beautiful tournament. Just last month we had organized a world championship of chess for the persons with disabilities, and here again we are getting prepared and we are getting our own people to in the field of chess, all the disabled from Goa. You know, all the Purple Festival is going to start. The third edition of Purple Festival start from 9th and 11th, 12th. And before that there are pre-events, pre-festival events, and one of the most exciting pre-festival event is again wheelchair cricket and blind cricket, and to complement with that we have a women's blind cricket tournaments. There are three cricket tournaments all across, but there are two tournaments which are being played in Fonda, and we have an association with Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, who is taking keen interest for last two Purple Fest. He has given his best for organizing and associated with this, and I am very sure the tournament which is going to start on 4th, right?
28 to 3rd and 4th to 12th.
Yeah, 28 to 3rd and 4th to till the end of 12th of October, Purple Fest. This is going to be a most exciting tournament because it starts morning at 9 and it ends up in the floodlight at midnight or 1 p.m. So this is going to be a bonanza for the Fonda and for the Goans to see the performances of our very exciting players who will come down from all across the country, and some of them may come from internationally. I don't take much of your time because I have a flight at 1:50 and I think it is nearing 1 year and I have to reach at least 40 minutes before that. So to reach out to the airport it will take at least 20-25 minutes, and I welcome you all, and again I congratulate and compliment and appreciate the efforts taken by Dr. Ketan Bhatikar and Mr. Sanjay, all of them, and all the committee members who have been doing wonderfully well in this sector. Ajay Gowde is with us and he has taken the reins of the sports director, and he is known for his efficiency and creativity and to reach out to every person from the sports field. A right person in the right department and a right place will boost our morals also. परत एक फावटी सगळ्या आमच्या क्रिकेट ऑर्गनायझरच्या हांव मनाकांतल्यान म्हजे वडच्यान खूब खूब देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, आणि आमचे तशेंच स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट डेफिनेटली विल एसोसिएट एंड विल शो देयर परफॉर्मन्स एंड रिजल्ट इन द अपकमिंग ऑल द स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट. परत एक फावटी पर्पल फेस्ट इज नॉट अ इवेंट, इट इज अ रिव्होल्यूशन, इट इज अ मूवमेंट. एक चळवळ जावन आसा आमच्या दिव्यांगाच्या जीवनात भितर एक नवे बदल हाडपा खातीर ते जे कितें कार्य करतले इन द स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड, इन द एज्युकेशन, इन द एक्ट्स, आमचे बेस्ट ऑफ द प्रॅक्टिसीस, बेस्ट ऑफ द पॉलिसीज, आमचे बेस्ट ऑफ द एक्ट्स आमकां करपा खातीर तुमचे सगळ्यांचे सहकार्य लाभतले इतके सांगता. आनी परत एक फावटी मन काळजांतल्यान जमिल्ल्याचे सगळ्यांचे हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, आनी आय विश यू ऑल the best for all the players. Thank you very much. God bless you. देव बरें करूं. जय हिंद. भारत माता की जय.
टुर्नामेंट और शेड्यूल केला 3 दिसाचो. आयचे दीस आज इव्हनिंग जाल्लो आमचो ट्रेनिंग सेशन. तितून भितर 2 पार्ट करतलो आमी. एक पार्ट आसतलो ब्लाइंड प्लेयर्स, ब्लाइंड मीन्स विज्युअली चॅलेंज प्लेयर्स, एंड सेकंड आसतले पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज. 2 लेवलाचे आमी टुर्नामेंट घेतले आनी दोनूय टुर्नामेंट 7 राउंडांनी जातले. म्हणजे टुर्नामेंटाक 7 राउंड्स आसतले आणि ईच राऊंड प्रत्येक राऊंड जो आसतलो तो 25 मिनिट्स प्लस 10 सेकंड्स इन्क्रिमेंट. आज राऊंड जावचना, आज ट्रेनिंग आसतले आणि फाल्यां फूल डे 4 राऊंड जातले. तशेंच परवा ऑन ट्यूजडे टोटल 3 राऊंड आसतले आणि बाय 3 o'clock 3 to 3:30 आमी सगळे राऊंड कवर करतले आणि बाय 4 o'clock हांगा फिडिंग फंक्शन आसतलें. ह्या टुर्नामेंटाक म्हाका सपोर्ट करपी आमचे मदीं आसा डेप्युटी चीफ आर्बिटर IA स्वप्नील धोबळे, तशेंच अनीश नायक, डॉक्टर प्रज्ञा काकोडकर, सारिका चोपडेकर, मिसेस डगारे, देन तेजा हडकोडकर आणि विशाला शेट्टी हे आमकां सपोर्ट करपा आसतले एज अ डेप्युटी आर्बिटर्स. आणि हो टुर्नामेंट आमी बरे भशेन सक्सेसफूल रितीन पूर्ण करपाचो आमी पुरेपूर प्रयत्न करतले. आणि शेड्यूल तुमकां सांगले प्रमाणे आसतलो. फाल्यां रावंड तुमचो 9:30 स्टार्ट जातलो आणि त्या प्रमाणे उरलेल्या रावंडाचे तुमकां अपडेट दीत रावतले. थँक्यू.
इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्ट 2025 गोवा स्टेट चेस चॅम्पियनशीप फॉर पर्सन्स विथ डिसेबिलिटी. पहिली म्हळ्यार डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा यांच्या मनांतल्यान आभार मानता. त्याच प्रमाणे मिनिस्टर श्री सुभाष फळदेसाय ज्यांनी म्हाका ही 2 वर्सां कॉर्डिनेटर म्हणून ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली आणि ह्या वर्सा प्रमोट करून डायरेक्टर म्हणून ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली. सुभाष भाईक इमिडिएटली दिल्लीक वचपाक जाय आशिल्ले. हांगा आयिल्ल्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांचे हांव मनांत हार्टांतल्यान आभार मानता की तुमी हांगा आयले, तुमच्या पार्टिसिपेशनामुळे हो आमचो प्रोग्राम चेसाचो बऱ्या तरेन घडटलो. त्याच प्रमाणे हांगा आशिल्ले आमचे डॉक्टर अजय जे स्पोर्ट्साचे नवे डायरेक्टर जाल्ले आसा, हांव तांकांय धन्यवाद करता. कारण ज्या दिसा पासून आमी हे स्पोर्ट्साचे इव्हेंट आमचे चालू जाल्ले आहा त्या दिसाच्यान तांचो संपूर्ण इन्वॉल्वमेंट आसा आणि तुमी आमकां सगळो हातभार दिला. हांव 27-28 तारखेच्यान आमची ब्लायंड क्रिकेट चालू जातली. ताच्या पयलीं 3 दीस क्रिकेटीची प्रॅक्टीस आसतली. सो हांव संपूर्ण गोंयकारांक हांगा येवन ब्लायंड क्रिकेटीक तांकां आमकां सपोर्ट करचो. कारण ऑलमोस्ट 4 टिमी येतात त्यो 2 तारीख पर्यंत चलतल्यो आणि परत आमी व्हीलचेअर क्रिकेट चालू जातली. ताच्या खातीर हांव स्टॅन्सीच्या मनांतल्यान आभार मानता. कारण ताणें भरपूर कॉर्डिनेशन करून संपूर्ण टिमी बरोबर आमकां हे 12 टिमी आमी व्हीलचेअराच्या हांगा हाडल्या आणि ती सकाळी 9 पासून रातची 12-1 पर्यंत चलतली अंडर फ्लड लायट्स. आणि ताच्या खातीर मूद क्रिएशन्स हेंचे हांव मनांतल्यान थँक्यू म्हणटा. कारण तांचे हांगा सगळे कॉर्डिनेशन्स आणि सगळी इव्हेंट मॅनेजींग ही राजू बाब सहकारी, अक्षय पाटील आणि तांची टीम तळावलीकर हांच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी घडोवन हाडला. त्याच प्रमाणे हॉटेल विलिनोचे ओनर ज्याने आमकां हांगा सगळ्याक सपोर्ट दिला, म्हणजे रायझिंग फोंडाचे तितले मित्र आसा जे आमकां हातभार लायतात. आणि त्याच प्रमाणे चेस जेन्ना सुरवात जाता ती चेसाची सुरवात हांवें केल्ली ही अनीश नायका पासून, जो हांगा बसला आमचे बरोबर. आणि तेन्ना आमी चेस चॅम्पियनशीप सुरवात केली आणि मागीर आनंद सतरकर सरा तर्फे. आज बरें दिसता की समीर बाबान म्हाका तो संपूर्ण ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली तांच्या टिमी बरोबर आणि आमी हे इतले दीस कॉर्डिनेशन करून आज तुमचे ट्रेनिंग जातले. ट्रेनिंगाच्या नंतर फाल्यां आनी परवा आमची चॅम्पियनशीप जातली आणि ती चॅम्पियनशीप कवर करपाक आयल्यान हांव संपूर्ण म्हणजे मिडिया जी हांगा आसा विच इज द स्ट्रॉंगेस्ट पिलर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी हांव सदांच म्हणटा तांच्या मनाक आजाच्यान आभार. कारण तुमी म्हाका दिसता नोबडी इज विथ बॉर्न डिसेबिलिटी. एवरीवन नीड्स मोटिवेशन एंड फ्रँकली स्पिकींग तुमी आमच्या खातीर मोटिवेशन, आमी तुमच्या खातीर न्ही. म्हणून तुमी जे खेळटात, तुमी जे दाखयतात, हांव तांच्या खातीर आभार मानता. कारण जेन्ना फाटल्या वर्सा व्हीलचेअर क्रिकेट जाली आमची आणि फाटल्या वर्सा जेन्ना आमची व्हीलचेअर क्रिकेट जाली आणि त्या व्हीलचेअर क्रिकेटीन आमकां दाखोवन दिलें की तुमची स्पिरीट, तुमची एनर्जी, तुमची एन्थुजियाझम, तुमी जमनीर पडून जशे बॉल हाडयले, तुमी व्हीलचेअराचेर राउंड 6 मारले जे नॉर्मल मनीस सुद्दां मारूंक शकना. आणि तुमी दाखोवन दिलें की बाबा कशें स्पिरीट आसता आणि लायफान नेवर से नो आणि नेवर एक्सेप्ट डिफीट. सो आय कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट द गोवन व्हीलचेअर टीम टू गेट मी इनटू इट, to show the motivation and go ahead. And once again I thank all the people sitting here. I thank Dr. Ajay Gira तो दिल्लीच्यान पावलो तरी आमच्या उतराक मान दिवन आयलो. सुभाष भाई 5 मिनिटां खातीर आयले पण परत तांकां वचपाक आसा. दॅट इज हिज कमिटमेंट टुवर्ड्स इट. एंड ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत who has given me a free hand to do something good and to be there. I thank Dr. Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for giving us this opportunity. जितले भुरगे हांगा आयल्या वेगळे वेगळे स्कुलांतल्यान संजय आसूं चेतना आसूं आनी जे जे भुरगे आयल्या तांकां मना खातीर आभार मानता. हांगा आशिल्ले सगळे मिडिया भावांक आभार मानता आनी हॉटेल मिनू जोसफ फर्नांडीस आनी तांच्या टिमीक आभार मानता आनी हांगा आमचे संपूर्ण रायझींग बोर्डा टिमीचे आभार मानता. परत एकदा मुहूर्त क्रिएशन्स, राजू एंड अक्षय, विदाउट यू दिस वुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल. थँक यू टू यू एंड युअर टीम. द टीम स्टार्ट्स नाव. 12 तारीख पर्यंत ह्याच एनर्जीन आमी रावया.
आयोजना दोतोर भाटीकर जो फाटली 2 वर्सां तसोच ह्या वर्सा पुराय ह्या सुत्राचे हातभार सांबाळपाचे आसा ते दोतोर भाटीकर तांच्या मार्गदर्शना खाली 500 हो चॅस चॅम्पियनशीप हांगा घडोवन येता आनी मुद्दाम सांगून दिसता की तशेंच हेर मानेज जे आमचे स्टेजीर आसा तांचे सगळे वेगळे लोक पार्टिसिपंट आनी बाकीचे भुरगे. Under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, who is Chief Minister of our state, we have come up with a lot of innovative programs, even in sports department, and now Honorable Minister of Sports, Ravi Savarkar sir. I actually had a lot of discussion on this. I will open up, maybe in my last remark. Those who are, although we say it is for disabled children, special children, or whatever, for me, you are the greatest inspiration ever, all of us have. So never ever feel that you are somebody who is lacking something. What you have, probably others don't have. And as Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, I was talking to Ketan Patikar sir. He is having cricket, he is the director for this entire event, Purple Fest, for specifically sports arena. This sports category, जितले sports जावपाचे आसा Purple Fest, तांकां सांबाळपाचे आसा. हांवें ताका मागीर उतर दिलां जें कितें ह्या नॉट ओनली विथ पर्पल फेस्ट, एज अ डायरेक्टर स्पोर्ट्स, whenever you need my support as a director sports or department of sports for any activity across the state of Goa or otherwise for your prosperity, and I shall always be there at any point of time. So never hesitate to come to us for anything. Let me just tell you one thing. Just few days back, a week back, a delegation came to me, physical education teachers delegation came to me, and they had a word with me, saying that we organize school tournaments for, normally we don't organize for special children or people who have some disability. Why don't we have such kind of school tournaments specifically for them? We are working on it. I have already discussed with Sports Minister and Chief Minister sir also. We'll surely have specifically school tournaments for you. So we will study this entire and we'll also include this as a part of our annual school games. So we will work on it, and surely we need to give that platform to you too, because when school games are being organized, they are not like cricket. I think from there only you will be able to get teams. Suppose we have the school games at the school level, from there we'll be able to know, okay, this school has that good team, or maybe all of them can come and form state team of any sport, not only chess, it can be any other sports too. Today I'm very happy that it is happening in Ponda, and I'm sure these 3 days are going to be very exciting to an extent that, see, we always believe that human beings are, we all are same. I always look at, irrespective of what kind of thing you are, I always believe you are special, and special in all ways, the intellectuality or otherwise, the spirit that you have can never be, you cannot compare it with anybody else. So I really wish you all best of luck. As a Department of Sports, Government of Goa, whenever I say again I'm repeating, most of the time when I am in Kampala, I meet many people who come to play badminton. I talk to them, I interact with them. So there are many occasions I talk to them what are the requirements. There may be not 100% things available for you all for sports otherwise, but let's work together as a team. I am not saying that there is everything that is available for you. There may be some plus and minus, but I think as a unit, as an disability department, as an association, people like Ketan Patikar has taken this initiative. Let's take sports for your ahead, not only sports, otherwise also there is anything that is going to be done for the promotion and upliftment of this area. We shall do it together. It is not one person's job. I think we have to do it together as a part of team. So I wish best of luck. Soon we'll have world. I am not declaring. Soon we'll have a press conference on. Actually, we are going to host World Cup So probably we can see how the chess players could be made part of this to have an inclusivity. To maybe they should be also given an opportunity to watch those matches which are happening. So that's part of legacy plan. How we can take these kids who are part of this chess, be that is inspiration for them. Maybe some matches, it's a month-long program. So surely these chess players will make sure that they see the international players and they get motivated and they go to that stage. And to quote and to end, I'll just say 4 lines to all of you. I tell these lines to myself, but I design Hindi, and these 4 lines goes to all the players who are going to play. अभी तो जिंदगी के कहीं इम्तिहान अभी बाकी हैं, जिंदगी के कहीं इम्तिहान अभी बाकी हैं, जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है सिर्फ मुट्ठी भर जमीन, आगे सारा जहां बाकी है. So there is a world waiting for you. You are special. You are someone who can create history on this planet Earth for state of Goa, for our nation. So go ahead with same spirit. Never undermine you. Never underestimate your potential. Never underestimate your powers that are within you. So I think that is what will take you to highest level. And again 4 lines to you. Again to just motivate you. पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता. We say that पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता. I'll say like this. I missed it out. It goes like this. I forgot those lines, but what is saying those 4 lines is पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता. हौसलों से उड़ा दो. What I believe is that it is we all have come across a lot of difficulties in our life. Fight against those difficulties, and people like who are sitting here will be there to support you all your life. And as a life, you don't come to me as director sports also. Otherwise, also whenever you need anything in terms of sports or otherwise, I shall always be there as a department of sport, as government of Goa. Whenever you need some support, you go ahead with those potential that you have, and we shall support you. Thank you so much. God bless you all.